Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round. What's up? Of course, we want to tell you about and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski Daddy, time for the lightning round. Josy in Florida. Josy.
Hi, Cramer. I'm Josy calling from Orlando. Thank you for feeding us financial knowledge. Shout out to my trading crew, Mitch, Salma, and Kevin. Cramer, my question is for Ballard Power, BLDP.
Well, it's funny you mentioned. I was just looking at it. Why? Because they just did a $250 million, what's known as bought deal. They sold a lot of stock, $13 million at $19.25. They took advantage of what is just an insane group of moves. If it has to do with hydrogen, if it has to do with EV, it went nuts today. And what I am urging once again is for people to take a little off the table. So I'm going to say wait for BLDP. Although I did see it is incredible. You know, my favorite plug power just won't stop. How about Michael in New Jersey? Michael.
Hey, how you doing, Jim?
Good. Michael, how are you?
Happy year Thanksgiving to you.
Oh, same.
So I like investing in the EV spaces, and I've been following this company for a few months when it was a penny stock back in June. Decided to take a very small position a few weeks ago. I wish I had taken more. It was up 60% today, 140 this past week. This stock is charging ahead faster than the blink of an eye. Is this company for real? What should I do with it? Blink.
All right, David and I talked about this morning. Okay, here's what you have to do with it. Tomorrow morning, you're going to take half of that off, and you can play the rest from now to kingdom come. I do not care, but you are selling half tomorrow, or else you're not my friend. Let's go to Pete. It's the heavy punishment. Let's go to Pete in California. Pete.
Hey, Jim, calling from San Luis Obispo, the happiest place in the country.
Oh, I love San Luis Obispo. It's so beautiful.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family.
Same.
I'm calling about a California gas and electric utility that's coming out of an ugly bankruptcy. They just hired a new CEO. Wanted to get your take on Pacific Gas and Electric.
I want them on this show so bad because it's such an intriguing idea to buy that stock. But it is California, and I am worried. But, you know, with a new president that actually doesn't despise and hate California, it could be interesting. You don't know. Although, of course, he's not a new president yet. Oh, does the president tweet it? Hasn't tweeted in 17 hours. What the heck is that about? I mean, Michigan just got certified, for heaven's sake. Okay, let's go one more. Let's go to Andrew in Maryland. Andrew.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer.
Booyah back.
I'm a 19-year-old investor and new Action Alerts Plus member.
Yes.
I wanted to get your take on a stock that you had on the show back in early April. I bought in at $6 and trimmed a large portion of my holdings at $13. Today it dropped under $10. What are your thoughts on Sangamo Therapeutics?
We're not that high on it, frankly. But first of all, congratulations. You're a young investor. You've already made a lot of money. But it's just not one of my faves. And look, nothing's like the fuel stocks. But there's just a lot of other biotechs that I like more than that. So I'm going to say be careful. How about that? Be careful. One more. No, that's it. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the end of the lightning round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.